You've got to try it. I can't tell you how it tastes like. I can't explain it. I don't know. The sweetness of the raisins. Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Dear Genee's Diary. My name is Denise, this is my kitchen, and today we are going to prepare some stuffed peppers. I've got these beautiful stuffed peppers here. I'll show you in a minute. I think my previous video had a recipe that I made. It was rice with chickpeas. We have some of the rice left over here, so I want to utilize it to make a meal. And you know, so this is going to be like a leftover meal, but it's not going to be short of flavor. We are going to stuff some peppers. We have some halloumi cheese. We've got some olives here. We've got some goodness and nutritious ingredients here, so stay tuned and let's get cooking with this recipe. If you don't have any leftover at all and you think that you'd like to try this recipe, I mean, just go ahead and get some pre-cooked rice from the shop, or pre-cooked you know, they sell them in a pack in the shops. Alternatively, make some rice or whatever. Okay, just try it out. You can just cook from beginning to end and just turn it into a whole recipe. So we are gonna stuff some peppers. Let's get cooking. So guys, these are ingredients that we'll be using. We've got some halloumi cheese, we've got our stuff, we've got our peppers here, we've got some tomatoes and some parsley, we've got some olives. These are olives, and we've got the leftover rice. Okay, this is going to be very simple, and we've got our dish here that we're going to prepare it in. So I'm going to start off by washing the peppers. Okay, I'll do that and then we can. So we are going to leave this on. We're going to take this out. Yeah, like that. We're looking like that. So tricky. Okay guys, so I have washed my tomatoes and I have also cleaned this one out. There are a few seeds and things on it, but that's going to happen, that's expected. So anyway, I don't mind it at all. So we've got this. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw in a teaspoon of olive oil. Yeah, I've got some extra virgin olive oil here. I'm going to put a tablespoon. Whoop, here we go. No worries, just a tablespoon of that, and we're going to rub the oil on the peppers, and we're going to place them upside down. Upside down like that. And we're going to place this in the oven. Yeah, and we're going to add half a tablespoon to this one. Whoop, that's a bit much, but yeah, just half a tablespoon to the cherry tomatoes, and then we're just going to rub it all in. Okay, so we're going to place this in the oven for 15 minutes, both of them, and it's just going to be for 15 minutes. And sorry, the oven temperature will be 200 degrees or 180 if there's a fan. Okay, so let's do this. We are also going to add a little bit of raisins to it to juice up the flavor. Okay, so I'll add this to this. We're going to add it all to the rice anyway. Yep. This one, because we're going to add all of it to the rice. And I'm going to leave the rest just to garnish. Okay. Okay. So here we are. This. Let's stir it up. We're going to add all this to, let's add this to the rice. I'm just gonna stir it up. Doesn't this look beautiful? Really beautiful. This is our tomatoes. Look at that. This is our peppers. Okay guys, so look at that. This is our tomatoes. Looking really good and ready. And look at the peppers. We are gonna turn them upside down and we are gonna fill them up. Okay guys, so I forgot to press play on the camera, or whether it went off by itself, I have no idea, but I have just finished stuffing the peppers, ready to go back in the oven again, and I realized that it had not recorded, so I am just showing you what I have done. So basically these are the peppers. I turned them over and then I put the I stuffed them with the rice and then topped it up with the tomatoes. I've made sure that all the tomatoes, all the peppers had 3 tomatoes in each, and then I topped them up with the halloumi cheese, you know, the one that I left on the side. So I've done that, and I'm just going to put it in the oven now. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes or so, or until you can see that the halloumi cheese is all golden. Okay, I'm going to put it in there and then I'll show you how I stuff the cheese, the rice into the peppers, just for demonstration purposes and for people who want to see how it's done. Let's assume that we've had it in the oven, we've brought it out, it's all ready. We turn it over, and what you would do is, I'll put this on the side. What you would basically do is scoop the rice and then we just stuff it in. Just be careful because it will be hot anyway. And then what I did was to just stuff the peppers. I like to pack it in. Just stuff it in like that, and then when I finished, I placed the tomatoes on top of it, and then I placed some of the rest of the halloumi cheese as well along with the tomatoes, just so that it will look all nice and presentable to you guys, you my lovely people. So yeah, so that's how you could see it looking something like this, and then with the tomatoes on top as well. Okay, and then we place it in the oven. So I think this is a part that you missed out because the camera was not on. So just for demonstration purposes, that's how you stuff the pepper. Okay, 15 minutes later, doesn't that look beautiful? Oh, look at that. So these are our stuffed peppers. Look at this golden halloumi cheese. You see how the halloumi cheese is, they're still intact. That's what I love about halloumi cheese. Any other cheese will just melt into it, and that's also fine if that's what you prefer. I'm sure it will still taste delicious. So here we go. Okay guys, so now this is all ready. Can you see how I have garnished it for you? So let's time to eat. Ooh. Which one do we go for? Red, yellow, or green, or orange? Okay, here we go. Let's take the red one here and let's place that here. Oh, look at that beautifulness. Let's add some of the tomatoes to it. Doesn't that look beautiful? Yeah, and because we have some of the rice left, why not? Let's add it to it. Let's serve it with the rice. Oh yes, this looks delicious. Okay guys, let's have a mouthful. Sorry, so you've got to try it. I can't tell you how it tastes like. I can't explain it. I don't know. The sweetness of the raisins plus the pepper has its own sort of sweetness as well. The bell pepper, the capsicum, and then you've got the rice with the chickpeas and the halloumi. Oh my gosh! And you know the parsley and all the spices in the rice. They all playing their beautiful parts. You've got to try it. You really got to try it. Oh my god, it is delicious, really delicious. So yummy. You know what guys, I need to go sit down and enjoy this, so you've got to go. Sorry. Anyway, it's been really lovely having you here. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give us a thumbs up and share our videos. And it's been really lovely having you here. We appreciate you watching the whole of our videos. Thank you so very much. If you do try this recipe, please share it on Facebook or Instagram and hashtag Dear Genee's Diary. Okay, until next time, I've got to go finish my food. Bye.